Do you want to stay here with Layla and I'll go get him? We'll get him. You're not allowed to go over there.
Yeah, she always listens to exactly what I say.
Mom! Babe! Hey, Mom! Here, watch it. Let's see. Mom?
Where are you going? Where are you going, little wonder?
Alright, yeah. Hurry back.
Here we are at the Pine Key Resort on Tuesday. Tuesday, January 20-something. And Layla is doing a little bit of walking around the pool.
Yeah. Doris says we should bring Layla over to visit Chloe. Oh, how fun! That would be so fun. She'd love it. Little dogs love her.
Hi. Did you know Doris has a dog? It's white and fluffy and beautiful.
Throw me the ball.
Throw it to me. Throw it to me.
She's
Okay, toss it.
She's hand delivering.
Toss it. Thank you.
What a nice hand delivery.
Okay, ready? 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 Here we go. Oh, that was a horrible throw. Grandma's not good at ball.
Ball.
She's ready to catch it.
Here, give it to Mama. Layla, give it to Mommy.
Thank you. Okay, you can take it back.
So she looks cute no matter what.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
In the drawer next to my bed is my Kindle. Can you maybe bring it?
Sure.
Just in case there's some
Okay.
unexpected chance.